All right, can you explain what you're doing right now? Whose car is this?
This is a customer's car.
Okay.
I'm actually foam canning, using this foam cannon to soap it. I want to make sure that I get all we pre-rinse it and then I foam can it. Just make sure you get all the.
And why are you guys doing this?
Because we take care of our customers.
You guys take care of your customers?
We take care of our customers' cars like they're our cars.
So basically, after every service or anything, do you guys wash each car that comes in?
Pretty much each car.
Okay.
Unless they ask not to, but.
Like me, I would not. To be honest, look, you do good work, but I like to wash my own car.
Some people do, some people don't. But it's something that it's quick, it's simple. We go above. They keep on opening and closing.
Yeah, I see that.
I don't know why. I'm very confused about it. But yeah, so we go above and beyond and we wash the car, very quickly, foam can it. We use the proper stuff to clean the wheels to get all the dust off there. And yeah, man.
That's it. All right. Well, thank you for explaining that because I was wondering. I was like, what are you doing to this guy's car? You have to put a template on there?
Yeah, because you got to drill 2 holes here.
Yeah. Gotcha.
Patience for that.
And you put a stopper on there in case it goes through the bumper.
Exactly.
So Marlon was explaining a lot of people make mistakes. When drilling the hole here, they drill it past and go towards the pop of the bumper, which ruins it right over here. So he put a stopper on that, preventing that from happening.
And I know with these things, with the extensions, you gotta do some cutting.
Yeah, remember I did that blue one?
All right, so we're gonna speak to Dwayne, the owner of Euromotive Performance. So he gave me a little insight about that performance lip. There's multiple parts to it. The main issue is a lot of people don't install this piece right here. What is this?
This is called the center bracket,
Okay.
which goes up underneath the bumper cover. And most people, when we have a lip on the car, it obviously lowers the ground clearance. So most companies or shops out there or do-it-yourselfers don't include this into the installation, which is part of this package.
This whole setup, yeah.
Most people just think doing a metal screw or a wood screw into the urethane bumper cover is going to hold this, but once any type of downforce of the wind or plowing out your vehicle will rip this off the vehicle, and the $500, $600, $800 you spent between the purchase and the installation of this has went down the drain. You got to replace it all over again. So this is very important to install part of your MPerformance front spoiler, because this actually goes up underneath the bumper. The 2 screws go into this and sandwiches everything together to make it one piece.
And gives it more of a support, right?
Durable and support. Yep.
Gotcha. So the MPerformance carbon fiber one does not come with this, right?
No, it doesn't. No, it just pretty much, it's still a really good fitment by BMW, and but this is a much more durable choice. If you guys are looking for durability, it may not be as sexy because it is a flat black, but you can paint this to the color match your vehicle, and we do that here at Euromotive Performance. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call back at 954-944-2779.
And we're also going to check in with them later when we're done with the installation. But everything's MPerformance, high quality products, and the carbon fiber weave on this is just outstanding.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm just glad I'm getting it done here instead of doing it myself, because I'd tell you this, I'd probably mess it up.
Like Dwayne says, do it right, not twice.
Yep. Say it again, say it again.
Do it right, not twice. Right, Dwayne?
What's up, bud?
Do it right, not twice?
Do it right, not twice.
I was telling them, this is really meticulous. I would probably mess this up already.
I'm off.
Really?
Yeah. All right, Dwayne, I see you have the carbon fiber splitters. Can you explain a little bit about this?
This is actually from BMW.
Okay.
This is their aesthetic and their performance line, which is an exact fit.
Could you explain a little bit more about the other companies out there manufacturing the same type of splitters?
Yes, every company creates their own molds, more than likely from this mold, but it's not exactly perfect. They don't use the exact specifications or this cushion material to protect your bumper cover and the paint that's on your bumper. So we always...
So a lot of corners cut?
Yeah, well, I don't know if there's a lot of corners cut, but we're not here to talk good or bad, but we're just here to prove what this product is, and it's top tier.
Yep.
As you can see, it fits like a glove. Right, Marlon? Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you put that screw in, Marlon.
Yeah.
Let's take that screw back out so we can show our people that this is the exact fit. Look at that, fits like a glove.
Yeah, it looks so good too. You can tell, like,
fit all the way around.
extremely good carbon fiber weave, high quality. It's gonna look good.
Quality first, guys. Quality first.
I guess right now you're prepping the surface for carbon fiber splitters to make sure it sticks on.
Right.
Because if not, it could slip off and have an issue.
Yeah.
So normally you could put, what, 3M tape, but you're putting a, what is that anyway?
It's like a silicone.
Adhesive?
You see, yeah, it's pretty strong.
So once it goes on, it's gonna be a little difficult to take off.
Exactly, yeah.
So what's good about this is it prevents like people from stealing your carbon fiber splitters, and you don't have to worry about it falling off driving.
Exactly. Yep.
And that's a silicone, that's from BMW, right?
Exactly.
So this ain't your industrial stuff you use on your bathrooms and stuff. This is actually from BMW.
Right. So there's rear wings, spoiler, body panels.
contact cars.
All right, so the car's all done. Front lip's already put on and everything. It's all good. I'm here with Dwayne.
Hey guys, how are you?
All right, so Dwayne, how long you been in business for?
I've been in business for a little bit over 4 years.
Okay. And how long you been in the industry for?
Been in the industry, man, ever since I was knee-high to a grasshopper. Thank my mom and dad. I grew up, my dad was a automotive electrical engineer, had his own shop, so I was always next to him,
Okay.
helping dad out, getting my elbows and nails dirty.
What makes your shop different than other shops here in Florida or South Florida here?
I handpick all our employees here, from my receptionists to my technicians that I have worked with for many, many years at the dealership. The last dealership I worked at, no names, but it was a BMW, Bentley, Porsche, Rolls-Royce dealership. We were a top tier, our services were impeccable. So I noticed that there was an urgency down here for a shop that really committed to transparency, delivering top tier service, and do what they say they're gonna do. So that's why we've grown so fast from ground zero to 4.5 years to today.
And I noticed that all your equipment here is all the newest technology, the newest Hunter alignment machines.
Yes, so if you were to step into a BMW, a Lamborghini, a Porsche dealership, you basically will find the same equipment, rotary. We have the Hunter alignment machine. We have the tire balancing and mounting machine. Top tier stuff. I like to get the best equipment, so your car is at 100% safety with our master level dealer certified technicians.
Yeah, and what's great about coming here, you guys are just very personable. I'm going to talk to you guys about upcoming mods that I want to do, because I'll see you guys in a couple weeks, right?
Yes.
We'll keep that hush hush for now, but we'll see you guys in a couple weeks.
Yes, guys.
And you know, he's always at Cars and Coffee. If you guys have any questions, you can meet him at Cars and Coffee up in West Palm.
Follow us on Facebook,
Yep.
Instagram. We're very social.
Yep.
DM us. If you have any questions, if you want to come and hang out, see us, meet the team, enjoy the great atmosphere we have here, we welcome everybody.
And
you, your friends, your family, everybody.
And what's
Do it
great?
Once.
Yep, not twice. And what's great, and like I said this before in the other video, it's so clean in this shop. And I think you prize your shop based on cleanliness, right?
Yes, it's just not the shop that's very cleanliness. Every car that comes in the shop, we protect your car like it's ours. We put a floor mat down, we cover the seat, so we make sure that your car is protected. And when it comes in, let's just say you come in for a general oil service, we do a full inspection on the car for your safety. And we like to cross our T's, dot our I's, and do it right. So you guys know.
All right, thank you so much, Dwayne.
Yeah, man. Ken, thank you for coming.
I'll see you guys on the next one.
Yeah, man.
All right, we are back in the car. I'm heading back home. I left the shop not too long ago. All right, I wanted to thank Dwayne and his staff at Euromotive Performance for doing a phenomenal job. Every time I go, they always treat me like family. If you guys have any questions or any comments or anything, shoot a comment below. I'll leave Euromotive's information down below if you could contact them if you have any questions. I also want to thank Marlon, because what he describes himself as a perfectionist. Myself too, I'm a perfectionist. I just can't do what he does. In the near future, we're gonna be doing 2 more mods coming up in the next couple weeks. One of them is minor and the other one's pretty major, and I think it's gonna look really nice on the vehicle. For those 2 mods, I'm gonna head back to Euromotive Performance to get that done. If you guys find this video entertaining or you guys like this video, hit the like button. And I've said this before in the past, it really helps channels like this small channel grow. But I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. We'll check you on the next one.